Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log out or sign out of your Monster Hunter Now application. So let's get started since the process is quite straightforward. First of all, launch Open Monster Hunter Now application from your app drawer. Make sure that you are inside the main homepage. Once you are, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom left corner. From your profile page, tap on Settings. Scroll all the way down until you see the Logout option and then tap on it. To confirm login out, tap on OK in the pop-up and you will now be able to sign out or log out of Monster Hunter Now. To log in back again, you will need to go through the login process. Simply follow through the prompts and you can easily get back to your account if you wish. So that is how you can easily log out or sign out of Monster Hunter Now within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.